What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and today we are talking about ISIG. This is very much what I like to call a dip and rip play, and what I mean is we buy those dips and we take profit after the rip. And so being part of that dip and rip strategy, what we were looking at right through here was not necessarily pre-market activity. There was nothing that I could find on news that was a catalyst. This thing just pretty much ticked up on some decent volume and made a decent move to the upside right out of the gate. You saw those 4 candles moving quite quickly, and then we got this turn. As you can see, we had this bearish engulfing candle that turned price action to the downside, and it was in this general area that I was then interested in buying that dip and taking it for a rip. And so essentially what I was doing was, as it was falling, I was looking for a consolidation area where it would then make a note on support or resistance, and then the break of one of the two would give me some idea as to how I was going to trade this, or it was just going to hit a bottom and then start to bounce step by step, moving to the upside. And that's exactly what it did. So again, you can see that it moved up to the upside. We had that reversal candle pattern right through there, driving it lower, and then right through here we had a reversal pattern right through here, driving it higher. And it was in this general area that I started to get very interested on wanting to buy this long. And what I was looking at, excuse me, was this resistance high of about 187 roughly. And I was watching the price action create a ascending triangle. So these lines are a little bit messy, but it gives you a general idea of what I was looking at. And so you can see that that high was set. It was tested. Price action is making higher lows, which is very, very bullish, while maintaining a 187, 188 resistance level. And then right through here, you can see that it popped. And this is where we were getting into this trade. And what I generally do is I look for the high of day as an area to either take profit based on weakness, or it's an area where I literally fasten my seatbelt and I let this thing go. In this particular case, this thing took out 187 resistance high in this little ascending triangle pattern area, and it moved up to the upside, and it was in this area right through here that I started to get bearish. I was watching the time and sales, and I watched this thing start to come off on sides, and so I was already selling off. And this particular position, I actually got out of this position at 204. So again, I was in at 187. I was out at 204, and that netted us a 17-cent gain. Now, you know, when you're doing these types of moves on some decent size, 5, 6, 7,000 shares, it's not bad. It's not a bad trade. And at the end of the day, if you're just sort of nickel and diming the market and you're getting these trades off and you're managing your risk, you can build your smaller account very, very quickly. So again, this is ISIG. This is what we traded today. I'm going to post a full breakdown of this trade in the members area. So if you're a member, please go check that out. If you're not, hit that subscribe button and check out the link below. There's a free gift for you traders out there that haven't hit that link yet, and it's 7 things that successful traders do before they get into a trade. It's a little video series that I've been sending out. It's been quite popular, so if you haven't received that yet, hit that link below and get involved. And if you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Again, this is ISIG. Little scalp today, nothing to it, but it followed that dip and rip strategy that we play often. And again, if you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Hit that subscribe button, like this video. If you have any comments, leave them below for me, and I'll reply. And again, if you haven't received that free gift of 7 things that successful traders do before trading, hit that link below. It's listed right there. Just hit the link and sign up. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Thanks for watching.